This is the SmallRig leather case for the X100VI. I think overall it's pretty well made. The only complaint I have is this strap. It feels too thin. I would definitely use the strap that comes together with the X100. So there's magnets that open this way up, and if you want to remove it, there's Velcro in the bottom. If you want to open it to change the battery, this opens up and you can change it like that. I think overall it feels nice in the hand. With the cover on top, it feels really well protected. So to put the cover back, it does need some precision placement of the Velcro, and closes really nice. So there's protection from the left of the camera and some from the right, and you can still open your ports here. Overall, it feels really good. It's just this strap. I don't really like this. I think I'm gonna be replacing this. So this is just an overview of this leather case. Thank you and see you in the next one.